Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Ali Hassan, Senior Lecturer, Department of Mathematics, Milestone College. I hope that student you are well. I am also well. Today I will discuss about Theorem 28, 30 and 35. It is very important for your examination. So let's go. Student, at first you must to learn two necessary concepts. Number 1, if the heights of a two triangle if the heights of two triangles are equal, their bases and areas are proportional. Number 1. Number 2, if the bases of two triangles are equal, their heights and areas are proportional. So student, look at the board. First concept, number 1, let ABC be triangle. Let ABC be triangle and DEF another triangle. Let ABC be triangle and DEF be another triangle. Now height of triangle ABC is AM and height of triangle DEF is DN. Student, here height of AM and height of DN. AM is a height of triangle ABC and DN is a height of triangle DEF. So first concept, if the heights of two triangles are equal, their bases and areas are proportional. So here AM equals to height are equal, two height are equal. Then we have area of triangle ABC is proportional area of a triangle DEF equals to ratio of two triangle, two bases. So BC is to EF, two bases. BC is to EF. Then we can write ABC by triangle DEF, area of triangle DEF equals to BC by EF. So student, I say again, if the heights of two triangles are equal, their bases and areas are proportional. So here AM and DN are two heights are equal, then ratio of area of two triangle equals to ratio of two bases. I hope that student you are clear. Concept number 2. If the bases of two triangles are equal, their heights and areas are proportional. Now let ABC be triangle, ABC be triangle and DEF be another triangle, DEF be another triangle. So here AM is a height of a triangle ABC and DN is a height of a triangle DEF. AM is a height of a triangle ABC and DN is a height of a triangle DEF. So we have BC equals to EF. If BC equals to EF, the bases of two triangles are equal, so area of a triangle ABC, area of a triangle ABC is to area of a triangle DEF equals to two heights, ratio of two heights. So AM is to DN. So student, I say again, if the bases of two triangles are equal, so their heights and areas are proportional. Now we can write ABC by triangle, area of a triangle DEF equals to AM by DN. So student, I hope that you are clear. I say again student, first concept, if the heights of a two triangle are equal, so their bases and areas are proportional. And concept number 2, if the bases of two triangles are equal, so their heights and areas are proportional. So I hope that student you are clear. Theorem number 28. So look at the board. Here, a straight line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle intersect the other two sides, or those sides produced proportionally. So here let ABC triangle. Here DE parallel to BC. And DE intersect AB and AC respectively. Figure number 1. And there produced D and E at the point D and E respectively. Produced section D and E respectively. Figure number 2. So it is required to prove that. So student, here DE parallel to BC. So it is required to prove that DE AD is to DB, AD is to DB equals to AE is to EC. AE is to EC. I say again student, ABCB triangle. Here DE parallel to BC and D straight line intersect at AB and AC. Figure number 1. And or their produce section figure number 2, D at the point D and E respectively. So it is required to prove that AD is to DB equals to AE is to EC. So here given DE parallel to BC, and it is required to prove that AD is to DB equals to AE is to EC. Now drawing joining point B and E and joining point C and D, figure 1. Similarly, figure 2, C and D, B and E. So student, here proof. The heights of triangle ADE and triangle CD and triangle BDE are equal. Student, attention please. Area of a triangle ADE and area of a triangle BDE are equal. So we have their bases and areas are proportionally. So we can write area of a triangle ADE by area of a triangle BDE. BDE means this triangle and this triangle equals to base AD by base BD. AD by BD. Equation number 1. Here side note, student, given side note, here the heights of a triangle are equal, their bases and areas are proportionally. So equation number 1, triangle ADE by triangle BD equals to AD by BD or DB. Now again student, step number 2. This is step number 1. Step 1. And step 2, student, here the heights of triangle ADE and triangle CDE are equal. So similarly, their bases and areas are proportionally. So we can write triangle ADE by triangle CDE, triangle ADE by triangle CDE equals to a ratio of two bases, AE by EC. AE by EC. AE by EC. AE by EC, equation number 2. Same side note. Here the heights of a triangle of two triangles are equal, so their bases and areas are proportionally. So equation number 1, ADE, triangle ADE by triangle BD equals to AD by DB, and triangle, equation number 2, triangle ADE by triangle CD equals to AE by EC. Step number 3. Step number 3. Now here in triangle BDE, area of a triangle BDE and area of a triangle CDE are equal because D is the same base, on the same base D. Now we can write, but here area of a triangle BDE, and area of a triangle CDE are equal. Side note please, here on the base, same base DE. Now we can write triangle BDE by 1 equals to triangle CDE by 1. By invertendo, 1 by triangle BDE equals to 1 by triangle CDE, or taking both sides by triangle ADE by triangle BDE equals to ADE by triangle CDE. So student, attention please here. Triangle ADE taking both sides by triangle ADE. Now from equation 1 and 2 we get. From equation 1 we get here ADE by BD equals to AD by DB. And from equation 2 we have triangle ADE by triangle CDE equals to AE by EC. From equation 2. From equation 1 and 2 we get. So student, here area of a triangle AD by triangle BD equals to AD by DB from equation 1, and right side will be AE by EC from equation 2. Then we can write AD is to DB equals to AE is to EC. AD is to DB, AD is to DB equals to AE is to AC. Proved. So student, I hope that you are clear, but memorize it student. Here two concepts. First, number one, if the heights of a two triangle are equal, their bases and areas are proportional. Concept number two, the bases of two triangles are equal, so their heights and areas are proportional. Theorem number 30. So the line internal bisector of an angle of a triangle divide its opposite side in the ratio of the side constituting to the angle. Let ABC be triangle. In triangle ABC, the line segment AD bisect of the internal angle A and the intersect of the line BC at D. It is required to prove that BD is to DC. It is required to prove that BD is to DC, BD is to DC equals to BA is to AC. It is required to prove that BD is to DC equals to BA is to AC. Here given student AD is a bisector, so angle BAD equals to CAD. Since angle BAD equals to angle CAD, I say again student, AD is a bisector, so angle BAD equals to angle CAD. This angle and this angle are equal. It is required to prove that BD is to DC equals to BA is to CA. Now drawing, we draw DA parallel to CE and BA produced up to E. So student, here proof since DA parallel to C. Student, look at the board. DA parallel to C and BA, BE and BE is their transversal. Now we have this angle and this angle are equal, corresponding angle. So we can write angle AEC equals to angle BAD. This angle and this angle are equal. This is corresponding angle because corresponding angles are equal. I say again student, DA parallel to C and BA is their transversal, so angle CAEC equals to angle BAD. This angle and this angle are equal. Again DA parallel to C, and AC is there, and AC is their transversal. I say again student, DA parallel to CE and AC is their transversal. So angle ACE equals to angle CAD because alternate angle. Which angle? Alternate angle. So student here, angle ACE equals to angle CAD, alternate angle. Now student here, here angle according to construction, here angle BAD equals to CAD. So angle, but here angle BAD equals to angle CAD because AD is a bisector of angle. Since AD is a bisector of angle A. So in triangle BAD equals to angle CAD. BAD equals to angle CAD because AD is a bisector of angle A. So BAD and CAD are equal. Now putting the value of BAD, here BAD equals to angle AEC equals to, and CAD equals to angle AECE. So in triangle AEC, two angles are equal, so opposite sides are equal. So student, we can write AEC equals to ACE. So two angles are equal, so two opposite sides are equal. AE. In triangle BCE, here DA parallel to CE. DA parallel to CE. Now we have DA parallel to CE. So BD is to BD by, so BD by DC equals to BA by AE. I say again student, in triangle BCE, here DA parallel to CE, so we can write BD by DC equals to BA by AE. Now we have BD by DC equals to BA by AE. Putting the value of AE equals to AC. AE equals to AC. So we can write BD is to DC equals to BA is to AC. Hence proved. So student, I say again, next last one, in triangle BCE, so here DA parallel to C, and here we can write BD by DC equals to BA by AE, theorem number 28. Now we have putting the value of AE equals to AC. So we can write BD is to DC, BA is to AC. I hope that student you are clear. So student, it is very important theorem for your examination. So see you again next class. Allah Hafiz.